if bacteria could be observed in a completely different way? What if we could make this observation possible by 3D printing a biomaterial? A three-dimensional structure could serve as a window to watch the bacteria, like ants behind glass. We could see how the bacteria continue to live and grow in its optimal habitat. Would it give us a signal about its environment? Could we learn from their behavior? In this semester project, we set out on a journey to examine materials in a wide variety of compositions, test their printability, and ultimately offer a home to counter microorganisms. We were particularly interested in Alivi vibrio fishery. Alivi vibrio fishery is found in all the world's ocean, but is particularly prevalent in symbiosis with other marine life. Only when there are enough bacteria in the immediate vicinity do they begin to glow together. The ability to glow depends on the presence of the oxygen. 3D printing gives us the creative freedom to build structures that allow us to observe the bacteria. We can also embed the bacteria selectively and maximize growth at specific locations. To do this, we mix our printing compounds